So today we're going to be going over our super walk. And what is a super walk? So this is Brandon with a Alair Asheville red tree. And the purpose of our super walk is for this. It is our ability as a team, bringing in everything from project managers to our operations manager, interior designer, anyone that's on our team to come and walk and be assigned certain areas. So the house gets fully tested as if someone is going to live in it, from plumbing to electrical, everything as if you were going to live in the house. Like, does this switch work? And then of course there's always the cosmetic things as well. And so we're really giving the house a real thorough investigation. Let's say it's a 2-3 hour event for us. It's a really good team building event. I've found that our project managers get a little competitive when it comes to this as well. So follow along here, see what the super walk's for, why we do it, and how beneficial it is for us as a company and for our clients.
Yeah.
That was water running. I heard it from the other room. I was like, please don't be a leak.
So I did plumbing. I'll just run through this with you, Brandon. And those toilets, those fancy toilets, you throw the lid up and it smacks that drywall. So it might be good to get some nice decorative stuff for that top seat.
That can right there, those 6 outer, 3 on each side, are all on one switch. That can trim is different from the rest. You got gimbals on 5 and 1 on standard right there.
What about that?
Ashley, what do you got?
All right, PM Bryant. The slider next to the kitchen island is tight when you're opening it. Middle casement over here, it needs to be cleaned on the exterior and the interior frame. It's got drywall all over it.
You did a lot of blue tape and a lot everywhere I was around. Josh, who's done this work?
There's, I don't know, I don't even know why I wrote this down, but where's the supply on the main level? I mean, the return on this level.
So that's our super walk, and the reason why we do the super walk is we get this great list. You just heard the team go over their individual items, and so me acting as a PM on this build have this. We have a checklist for them to kind of go through. They've checked it off, area for notes. Super helpful for us to be able to talk to our trades and be able to share this with them, but it really gives us an opportunity to have this house really thoroughly looked through by our whole entire team. And that's not just PMs, it's office staff, interior design. So we all have a different eye for things. And there was things that, you know, I thought this house was more ready than this. We do this before we walk with our clients. We're going to get all this done, then walk with our client, create a list with them if there is one, and then have a final list. I now have the ability to really thoroughly have this house done